Hello and welcome everyone. I am so excited. For those who are just new to my channel, my name is Cheyenne. I have a blog which is www.justshy.com, and I also have my Instagram which I'll link down below, which will be just_shy. But in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys what I put in my own Bridesmaids boxes. So these are DIY boxes. I was really excited when thinking about what I wanted to put in each box, just because I had other friends get engaged before and I was looking at their boxes, what they put, and trying to get inspiration. And I'm not gonna lie, it could be really overwhelming, and for a moment I just took a second. I said, you know what, I need to remove myself from just trying to be, I don't even want to say a bridezilla, but almost like an engagement bridezilla, something along those lines. But I wanted to take a break and just really think about what I wanted to put in each box, just because I want it to be so special for each of my bridesmaids. So when first starting off, I wanted to get a box. Now, I know that kind of sounds silly, a box, right? But I went to Target, Home Goods, literally Hobby Lobby. I went everywhere, even Marshalls, you guys. They did not have 5 of the same boxes, or they didn't have similar boxes. It either had dents in them, either funky prints, I don't know. But I had a really hard time trying to find the box. I wanted to get a box that the girls could use, not just for this one moment, but for everyday stuff. So the box I chose was a super cute white box. On the sides it has a gold trim, and right here on the bottom it actually has magnets. When I ordered the box, and just so you guys know, all the items are going to be linked in my blog post. So if you guys are liking something that I put in my own DIY bridesmaid boxes, you guys can actually just purchase that item through my blog. But I customized it, so I bought the box by itself, and then with this decal, I actually bought it from Etsy. What I liked about it is that they have numerous of fonts, colors, different sizes, everything, but I wanted to be simple and have it look elegant. Next was the inside. So like I said, this was super easy to assemble. They already had stickies inside the box, so it's just really easy to put together. But the inside, I wanted to get paper shred. You guys can get this at the Dollar Tree, not Marshalls, but Home Goods, Michael's, literally everywhere. But I went with white, and then I don't know if you guys can kind of tell, but this is I like to call it a unicorn color, because it has a bunch of pink, kind of a sparkle, teal, a little bit of everything, but it's just to give your box an extra little fluff. The next thing that I wanted to do was incorporate a specialized card. I had a really hard time actually picking cards. I think I probably spent 2 days trying to go through each card, and I actually bought another card before I show you guys it. But I bought this other card, and you guys can customize the cards. You guys can do the skin tones, the hair, everything that you want to put into it. But when I initially bought that first card, I realized that the skin tones came out really dark. It didn't look like my bridesmaids. I felt kind of silly because it just didn't feel like me. So each card that you get that's personalized, obviously that's 1 card per person, because you know you can't get, unless all your bridesmaids have, you know, maybe dark brown hair, but that's not the case. I have people who have curly hair, I have people who have like blonde hair, a little bit of everything. So when I was looking at all these cards, I was like, gosh, you know, I want something that's going to be cute but not too overwhelming. I found this card right here. It says my bridesmaid's name, and it says, I can't say I do without you. It has me right here as the bride, and then it has my bridesmaid right here as well. I love that you can customize it. You can change the color of the robes, change the color of the hair. I added baby breath. I had her, this is actually for my sister, but I had her hold a bouquet, and then I'm holding a champagne flute. So I thought this was really cute, and then when you flip it open, you can put a little nice personalized saying that you want. So for example, you could put, will you be my bridesmaid? Because it already says, I can't say I do without you. So inside here, obviously you want to put something special and meaningful. The next thing that I decided to do was get these cute small coin purses. With the coin purses, I like it just because, you know, every item that I wanted to get for each bridesmaid, I didn't want it to fill all bridesmaids' names. So I wanted items that they can use not just for a one-time use, but for everyday purchases, not purchases, but everyday, just normal stuff. So I saw these and I thought they were really cute and personalized. They have a cute tassel right here. And then I got each of my bridesmaids' initials on here, so I'm not gonna say the person's name, but it will just say their letters right here. I did this in baby blue with a gold trim. I thought these were super cute, and you can even put your little cards on the back. Next, I chose some face masks. I got these from Target. You can get them wherever you want, but I think these are just a fun little extra personalized touch just to put in your boxes. And I mean, who doesn't like face masks? I like this brand. They have tons of different scents and they smell really good. This one is Cherry and Apricot Exfoliating Cleanser. So I think this would be really good. Next, I went with a hand sanitizer. The one that I got, it was from Bath & Body Works, and typically they have a lot of sales that do go on, so when you go to their website, make sure you look for a coupon. Maybe they're having a special, but typically you can get, I think, 6 for 12 or 15 bucks, but it's a good deal. Then, of course, I really wanted to put a specialized candle, so when I was looking online, I was trying to look for a bridesmaid like where you can personalize the actual label, but everything that I kept looking online just seemed very generic. And when I went to Bath & Body Works, one of the representatives was really nice, and I was like, oh, do you guys have any good candles? She was like, oh, you have to smell this one. This is champagne toast. I'm not just saying, oh my gosh, it smells so good, but oh my gosh, you guys, it smells so good. Everyone who has smelt it said the same thing as soon as I gave them their box, or if I had my parents, whoever, but each person who has smelt it had said, oh my gosh, you guys, it smells so good. So they come in 2 different sizes. It just depends on how big your box is. Because my box isn't super big, I went with this size, but like I said, I think this is a really good fit for this box. Next, I went with a lip balm. You can never go wrong with just adding a lip balm in the box. This one is melon. I think each girl got a different scent, but you guys can look on Amazon, Target, wherever you guys can probably get a bundle set. Okay, you guys, next, this is probably one of my favorite items, and the reason why is because I had so much fun just creating it. I actually got each girl a Starbucks cup. They can reuse it whenever they want. It doesn't just have to be for the day of getting ready. But I bought the Starbucks cups separate, and then I bought the decals separate. And on each of the decals, it has my bridesmaid's name and whatever the role is. It has hearts on the side as well with an engagement ring on the top of the lid. I thought this was super cute. The vendor who I ended up buying all this stuff off of, she was really sweet. I was telling her kind of what I had envisioned. She's like, I can totally do it. I went with a rose gold, I guess a rose gold shade, and it has glitter on it, so I think it's really pretty. And I think when you go to Starbucks, I think you're either gonna get a 5 or 50-cent discount. So 1, who doesn't love Starbucks? And 2, this is just a great extra personalized touch just to put in your box. Next, I got these super cute shirts. This says bride, so I'm really excited. Thank you so much to the White Invite. They actually sent me over my bridesmaid shirts and also a shirt for myself. This would be perfect for your bachelorette party or whatever special occasion you have. They have different things for different events, so don't just think they only have it for bridesmaids. No, they have it for everything. You guys should definitely give them a look. But each girl got a personalized shirt. I got these in the color mauve. And I just think these are so cute, and it's just gonna be a nice little touch to put in your box. It's gonna make each bridesmaid feel so special when we go out for our bachelorette party and they get to wear their shirt, and I think it's gonna make everyone stand out. So I'm really excited, and I wanna say thank you so much to the White Invite. So each bridesmaid got a mini succulent. So I got these from a farmer's market. The vendor who I got them from was amazing. He has literally a gazillion. So if you can't find one of the same one, any succulent you get is gonna look beautiful. Some fun facts that he told me is that when the edges are pink, that means that these are happy. So far this is doing good. It's not dead. I've had it for about a week, lightly spraying it, so I gotta make sure I tell each bridesmaid to do the same thing. But I got these tissue papers, and I just put it on top just to give it that extra touch. Like I said, for my sister-in-law, because she likes skulls, I found this really cute one at Trader Joe's, and I think, I want to say it was under 10 bucks, but It was so cute, and it was just, I saw it and I was like, oh, that's Lindsay. Also, you guys, before I forget, even with the cards, these are adorable, but you can even customize it. So because I'm getting a new sister, it says, Lindsay, I'm so excited you to be my sister. And I'm so excited just because this is just such a special moment. I'm getting, you know, I'm expanding my family, and I'm so excited to share this moment with each bridesmaid, and I really hope that they love their gift because I had so much fun just making it. When you guys are creating your box together, I think it's important not to get overwhelmed and just put what you think they're gonna like. Don't go off Pinterest, don't go off of Instagram, don't go off whatever, because trust me, I see it, I'm like, I need this, I need this, I need this, and I got overwhelmed. You want to put thoughtful gifts that you know they're gonna love, that they're gonna use just on any occasion. Obviously there are gonna be some items that you get that might be maybe a 1 or 2 time use, but that's okay. I'm gonna show you guys a small overview of what everything looks like put together. Okay guys, so this is what the as you guys can tell, this is what the Bridesmaids boxes look like put together. I'm obsessed with how they turned out. Each and one of my bridesmaids love this. Like I said, I am just so excited just because, you know, this is just one part of my special day. At the end of the day, I get to be marrying the love of my life. But don't get stressed out. Have fun making these boxes, and if you guys have any questions, make sure to write them down below. I'll make sure to get back to you guys. Also, like I said, if you guys want any of the items, they will be in my blog post, which will be linked down below. But make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to like this video, and thank you guys so much for watching.